Meaning of gas.
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 Gas. The term gas can have a variety of meanings depending on the context. At its most basic, gas refers to a substance that is in a gaseous state, meaning its particles are not bound together and instead move freely. In the context of energy, gas often refers to a fossil fuel such as natural gas, which is used for heating and electricity generation. Additionally, the term gas is commonly used to refer to gasoline or petrol used as fuel for vehicles. Overall, gas is a broad term with many possible interpretations depending on the context in which it is used.